Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about some of my favorite mists. I'm a huge fan of spray mists. I think that they are really great for the skin, really hydrating on the skin, and so in today's video I just wanted to share with you just a few of the mists that I really love at the moment. But before I do that, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're not already a subscriber. I've got 2 videos a week coming your way, so yeah, I'd love to see you back here every week, so please do click the link and subscribe. So I'm going to start with this one, and this is the Kiehls Cactus Flower and Tibetan Ginseng Hydrating Mist. And I really love this. It's really refreshing. The smell of it is gorgeous. Now I know you're not going to be able to smell it, but oh, just to get that smell, it's worth spraying this. It smells absolutely glorious. I'll just quickly read a little bit of what it says. It's a cooling facial mist which purifies and hydrates the skin to improve overall texture for a revived, healthy looking appearance. And I must admit, I have found that personally, that it has improved kind of like the texture and the look of my skin. I generally spray, I would say maybe a few times a day, maybe 2 or 3 times a day. I'll give this a little spray. And what I've noticed with some of the different mists is the way that they actually spray. They all kind of give off a different amount of spray. So this one is quite good because it gives quite a strong, like, oh, it smells glorious. 2 pumps like that tends to cover the whole face for me, but on some of the others the kind of direction of the spray is a little bit more challenging, so you've got to spray them a little bit more. So anyway, this is the Kiehls one. I think this size retails, this is the 125 ml. If I remember rightly, I think it retails at about £28, something like that. And there is a smaller size as well, but I think this is better value for money to go with this one. So yeah, really love this. This is such a nice spray. It's infused with lavender. That's probably what I can smell straight away, is the lavender, geranium and rosemary essential oils, and it's just a really beautiful spray. So this is Kiehls. Next up is this one from Origins, and I've not tried this one before, so this is fairly new for me. This is Ginseng, and this is an energy boosting treatment lotion mist. So I picked this one up from Harrods. It's a really good size bottle, 150 ml, and yeah, again, another one that smells absolutely glorious. Only thing, yeah, does smell glorious. Really orangey, zingy kind of smell to it. So it smells so nice. The only thing I found with this one is that the direction of the spray, I don't like that quite as much as I did with the Kiehls one, because I just felt like it didn't spray as, how do I explain it? Not quite as cleanly. I felt like I have to do a few more sprays to kind of get enough out to cover the face. But beyond that, this is really nice. This is classed more as like an energy boosting spray for the skin and the face. And it says on here that it has coffee beans in ginseng, pomegranate, and it helps to optimize and energize to keep you looking vibrant. So this is a spray that's more to kind of help tired skin, just to kind of plump it up, make it look a bit more vibrant, to hydrate it, and just kind of give it a bit more extra energy. So I've kind of just started using this one. I really love it at the moment. I think it is really lovely. Love the smell of it, and it's one that I would definitely recommend to go and check out. So this is from Origins, and it's their Ginseng. Moving on to this one, and this is by Tatcha, and I actually picked this up when I was in the States last year, because at the time you couldn't actually get it in the UK, so you might be able to now, but I bought this in the States, and this is probably the most expensive one I'm going to talk about in this video. This is the 40 ml, and if I remember rightly, it was something around the kind of 60-70 pound mark for this, which is quite expensive. It's very expensive for, you know, like a skin mist, but however, it had great reviews. So many people loved it. The only thing I was a little bit concerned about was it is the dewy skin mist, and if you know me, you know I've got oily to combination skin, so anything to do with looking dewy and shiny and glowy is not my thing at all. No, no siree. That is not me. I like matte, matte and more matte and get rid of that shine. So I was a little bit concerned, but to be honest, I don't think that this one, you know, I think all skin types can really use this. The spray is gorgeous, direction is really, really great, very, very lightweight, and I have found that it really does help to kind of just keep that skin hydrated, and to kind of just keep it moist without being too moist, because to be honest, with all of the sprays, they tend to dry down within seconds, so you're not walking around with a, you know, a wet face or anything like that. They do dry down very, very quickly. This one probably, out of all of them, probably has the less amount of odor and smell, so if you're a little bit partial to not wanting anything that's too fragrance, then this is a good option for you, because it probably smells the least strongest out of everything, and it's just a really, really lovely spray. It helps to give a more radiant finish to the skin, and yeah, I think Tatcha as a brand do some incredible products. So if you've not heard of them, go and check them out. They are amazing. I am hoping they're in the UK. I'm not sure, but I'm hoping you can pick it up in the UK. But yeah, check it out. It's not the cheapest brand in the world, but they do some really amazing products. So that's my next recommendation, the Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist. And now finally, and this might seem like an absolute no-brainer to be honest, but this is just the Evian facial spray. So it's just water on the skin basically, but very nice water because it's Evian. So yeah, I really like these little sprays. I think that these are really fabulous too. This is a 50 ml spray, so it's great travel size. You can put it in your handbag, in your pocket, and it's just a really nice, again, slightly stronger slightly stronger spray than the others, so let's have a little bit more than the others, but it's great because it's just natural. So at least with this one, you know, it's just natural pure water. If you don't want to go with one of the others, you don't want any chemicals or anything extra to spray on your face, then that's absolutely fine. This might be a really good option for you because it's just purely natural mineral water. So a very easy, simple recommendation. We know that the majority of the body is made up of water, so any way you can get water into the body, onto the body, is fabulous. That is what you need to be doing, you know, because it's so important to consume water in any way that you can. So this is a really good option, cheaper option. You can pick these up anywhere as well, so yeah, love this. So if you want something that's just more natural, easy, then Evian Natural Face Spray is for you. So that is it for my little face mist review. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you've got any recommendations, please leave them in the comments below because I'm always interested to see what else is out there. And don't forget, if you're not already a subscriber, then please do consider subscribing to the channel. Click the links below and why not go and subscribe. And I shall see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.